If I see this type of thing in exam, the first thing I'll try to do is to arrange it in a way that the numbers that have x will be at one side and others at the other side. So if I have 3x raised to the power x here, solution, then I will see how I can bring this one to this side to make it work for me. So I'll write 3x raised to the power x is equal to 3 raised to the power x multiplied by 3 raised to the power 10. You know, multiplication law of indices. A raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. So this and this are the same. I expanded this one to give this. That's what I did here. So look at what I told you. You have 3 raised to the power x here. We are going to bring it to this side. By dividing both sides by that, by 3 raised to the power x is equal to 3 power x multiplied by 3 raised to the power 10 over 3 raised to the power x. This will divide it, this will divide this. By the right hand side, I don't have x there again. If you look at left hand side, you see that the exponent is x. The exponent here is x. So this x and 3 here have common exponents. You know the formula. X over 3. You raise it to one of the exponents. Is equal to 3 raised to the power 10. Then let me remove this 3 again, so that I'll keep removing one after the other until this particular x we are looking for will remain alone. I will do that by dividing both sides again by 3. Dividing this one by 3. So that this one we have here, and we have x over 3 raised to power x is equal to, this is 3 raised to power 10. You see, this line means division. And we have the base of this one is 3. This is 3 to the power 1, base is 3. So if the bases are equal and you have division, you subtract the exponents. That means that x over 3 raised to power x is equal to 3 raised to power 9. So our duty now is to ensure that we can express this right hand side to be exactly in the form of the left hand side. In the left hand side, we have x over 3 raised to power x. What do you notice here? You notice that the numerator of this fraction, which is the base, is also equal to the exponents. We can express this one in that way. This is equal to, since we are looking for something that is exactly this one, so our exponent, our numerator, denominator of the exponents of the fraction is going to be 3. Then the numerator must be equal to the exponents. If the exponent is 9, it means the numerator is going to be 9 raised to power 9. I didn't change anything. Here, exponent is 9. Exponent is 9. The base is 3. 3 divided by 9 is 3. Nothing is changing. So you have, at this point, you can see that this and this are exactly in the same order. We can now do comparison and quickly say that x is equal to what? 9 as the correct answer. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.